This quick tip video is sponsored by Untucked. Made with natural bamboo fibers, Untucked is stronger by nature. Learn more about Untucked decking at untucked.com. This week I installed a composite deck, and I'll have the full video up next week after I finish the landscaping. But I thought I'd make just a quick tips video. So number one, when you're installing the deck, I think it's best to work from the front of the deck towards the building, and that way if you have to make any rips, the rips are near the building and less noticeable than at the front of the deck. Number two, I made a simple jig for the reveal at the front and the sides of the deck. This is made with 1/4 inch plywood, which is a little bit less than a 1/4 inch, and it's just about the perfect reveal for the decking. And so it's a really simple jig to make, and I found it to be really useful. You may have to face screw some of the decking, whether that's near the building, at the edge, or your fascia. And these Captor screws, it's the first time I've ever used them, and there's probably other manufacturers, but they're really easy to use and they're very professional looking. They have a color match head, a star driver, and about 1/2 inch before the head, they've got reverse threads that bore the material out and countersink the screw. I'm attaching the majority of the deck with Untucked hidden fasteners. It's a very clean and professional look and really easy to use. The way I like to work with them is where 2 boards meet, I'll snug the screw down, and on the outside before attaching the next board, I'll drive the screw down, but I won't tighten it. I'll keep it just a little bit loose, and that gives you a little wiggle room to fit the next piece of decking. For longer runs where 2 boards meet, you'll need to sister up your joist, and that will provide enough room for a clip at the edge of each board. It also provides more support for the edge of the board. So just a few quick tips. I hope you found them useful, and I hope you'll tune in next week when I post the project video. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.